Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Overwatch 2 crashing on your PC. So let's start. The first method, make sure first of all to restart your computer. After that, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. If you can't find it, make sure to download the NVIDIA app from your browser. Once you do that, open the NVIDIA app. This dashboard will open, so go to the left. You can see the drivers element selected. After that, select install to start setting up your available driver. After that, select custom or express. Click continue to initiate the installation process. After that, go to the Windows taskbar, right click on it. After that, go to task manager. This will open. Now go to the search and type in Overwatch 2. If you can find any Overwatch related application, make sure to select it and right click and select in task. Now whether you have it on Steam or any launcher, just need to select this upside arrow. After that, select the launcher you have the game on, right click and select exit, and then try to open the launcher once again. When it opens, go to the library, selections. After that, go to Overwatch 2, go to this gear icon in the right. After that, go to properties. This will be displayed, so go to installed files on the left. After that, select verify integrity of game files. It will start the verification of the original game files. By that, any corrupted file will be recovered soon, so just wait for the process to finish, and then your problem should be fixed. And that's it. If you find it helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.